I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, no, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. When you are with me, sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Allie if you are new. Today I am continuing our decluttering series, and in today's video I'm going to be decluttering the kitchen. So if you've missed my other videos, I have already decluttered my master bathroom as well as my master closet, and I am going through room by room of my house and just getting rid of everything that no longer serves me and steals my peace. It's been really fun so far, and I would love it if you guys did this with me. So today we're tackling the kitchen. I'm going to show you kind of what I'm working with, and hopefully we can get rid of lots of stuff. When I first thought about decluttering my kitchen, I thought, oh, no big deal. It's not going to take me very long. I don't have that much I need to do. But then I thought about the different areas within my kitchen, and I was like, oh no, this can be really overwhelming really quickly if I don't set some very careful boundaries. I noticed that I have not only my cabinets and my drawers, but I also have under the kitchen sink, I have my pantry, and I have my medicine cabinet, which is above our microwave. I also have a junk drawer in my kitchen, and I have these storage benches in our breakfast nook area. So I'm not gonna get to all of those things today. I'm gonna just work as long as I can and as long as I want to, and then when I feel tired and overwhelmed, or maybe even right before I get to that point, I'm gonna go ahead and stop so that I don't feel discouraged or burnt out.
You said that you needed me, like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotion. Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving?
Whenever I am decluttering any area, I pull everything out so I see everything that I'm working with, and then I set everything into 3 different piles. I have a keep pile, a trash pile, and a donate pile. And so I'm gonna show you just what I have off of one shelf. So this right here is my keep pile, and then this over here is my donate pile. And I don't have anything that's trash as of yet, but then I'm gonna have a trash pile eventually, I'm sure. But look at the stuff that I've already pulled out to get rid of. This feels so good. What's crazy to me is I have had these 2 wine glasses. I think they were Andrew's before we got married, and I moved into his apartment with him when we got married. Then we took them with us to the first townhouse we lived in, then to Charleston. We lived in 2 different apartments in Charleston. Then we moved back to Virginia, lived in a townhouse, and now the house we live in currently. And I don't think I've ever used these a single time. So they're gonna go.
I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking. I said that I needed you, like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
So here's the first area done, and there's so much room in this cabinet now. So I might actually move some things into here from other areas, but I can't believe how much stuff we got rid of, and it feels so good. I actually switched out, these were just some like random glasses that the kids like to drink juice out of. And I had these little, I don't know what they are. I should know what size these are, but they're teeny tiny. And the kids can drink their juice out of that now. We drink most of our drinks out of mason jars. And then Andrew has a collection of cups that he really enjoys drinking out of, so we kept some of those. But I also have a lot of stuff in the dishwasher still, so this will fill up just a little bit more, but I have a designated home for everything. So far so good. Now let's move on to another area.
Too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
So this is our dish towel collection, and it is currently up here in our cabinet because I just don't have really a better place for it. But it was overflowing with towels, and so I went through and I picked out just the best ones to keep, and then these ones are going to be donated. These are still good, so I might just find a different place for those. These don't belong up there, and then this towel had a burn on it, so I'm just going to get rid of that one completely and then donate these.
Tick-tock, the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me. My mind is filled with pictures of when we used to dance, but now I don't know where you are. I missed you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you. Wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late. Now it's too late. I'm out of time.
Look at my spoon collection. Why do I have so many spoons? That's all spoons. No one needs this many, so I'm gonna get rid of some of these. We also have quite the collection of tongs. Why?
But I'm still thinking of you. My heart keeps on bleeding. I have scars, the ones not healing. They're all there because of you. It's my fault, I messed it up, and I should have treated you much better. So much better. I miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you. Wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, I know it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you. Tick tock, the clock keeps ticking. Don't know what I should do. I wish you would be right here with me. I'm thinking of you, thinking of you, I'm thinking of you. Wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, now it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you.
One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Every moment is another chance. Loving you is all I wanted. I'm wide open for a love affair. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it.
This is all of the stuff that I am decluttering from my kitchen today. Took all of this stuff out. Most of this is going to be donated, and then there's just a few things. Where are they? A few like supplements that are brand new that I'm not going to use, and I'm going to give those to my mom or see if she wants them. This feels really good. Every time I would go into my kitchen, there were certain like trigger points for me. That cup cabinet, and then the drawer with all of the spoons. Every time I saw those things, I was like, I've got to declutter and get rid of stuff. So this feels good to have it checked off of my to-do list. This is just that much less stuff stealing my peace and causing me just to be confused and overwhelmed. So I'm really happy with it. I didn't get to everything in my kitchen. I knew that was gonna happen, but my back is killing me and I'm tired, and I know that if I keep going, I'm just gonna like be way too burnt out and not want to continue. So I'll show you a few of the areas that I didn't get to, but everything else is done. These are my junk drawers, and I still need to get to them. I never made it over here to these storage benches, and I did not make it to under the kitchen sink. This could be a whole video in and of itself, and I might actually do that. So, and I also never made it to the pantry, which again could be its own video. So that is going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and hanging out with me today. If you're doing this decluttering journey with me, comment and let me know. I hope that some of you are doing this with me. I can't tell you how good it feels. I would love it if you subscribed to my channel and joined our YouTube family, and you can also follow me on Instagram at Allie_Gooch. All right, I love you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.